In this video, we're going to learn how to do targeted searches in the NMSA. Here on the Start page, the targeted search forms can be located right here. Second line down, we find Search New Mexico Statutes Annotated. This is where I'm going to click. And this brings up a custom search form designed specifically for the NMSA. In this first example, I'm interested in statutory law that deals with equitable defense. So right here at the top, I'm going to type equitable defense. Look over at this drop down right here. I can let it default to search anywhere in the NMSA, or I can limit my search to just statutory text, to just the section heading or catch line, to just the annotations, or to just the history. I can also combine any of these three lines to search for different things in different places in the same query. But for now, I am satisfied to search for these words anywhere in the NMSA. So I'm going to leave it like this and click OK. I get my results list, and I see right up here that I have 46 hits. These are 46 documents just in the statutes. We've filtered out hits from the case law, from court rules, from the constitutions. These are just NMSA. So I'm going to click on one to see what we've got. I can go back to the results list and choose another one by clicking this tab right up here that says Results. Now I'm going to click on another document. And I'm seeing that these search terms are appearing in the annotations, and I decided that's not what I want. So I'm going to return to the search form to modify my search, and I do that by clicking this tab right here, the search form. It takes me back to the very last search that I did, and notice that the search terms, the search criteria is still here. But this time, I'm going to limit my search to just the section headings. Now I'm going to click OK. Well, that whittled things down. Just one hit. And here we have section 47-8-45 with equitable defense in its heading. Okay, example number 2. I'm going to go back to the search form, and I am going to clear this search form with this button right here. And now we're going to try combining fields. So I am going to look specifically for case annotations that discuss unjust enrichment. And I'm going to target statutes that deal specifically with damages. So I'm looking for the word damages in the section heading and unjust enrichment in the annotations. I click OK, and I get 4 hits. Let's take a look at one. Damages in the heading, unjust enrichment in the annotations. Now this button up here is the next doc button. If I click this, I will go to the next document in the results list. So I can actually use this to navigate through all 4 of the hit documents. Let's take a look. Damages in the heading, unjust enrichment in the annotations, damages up here, unjust enrichment, and the same thing, damages in the heading, unjust enrichment in the annotations. All right, Example number 3. Go back to the search form. I'm going to clear this form. And now I want to show you how to limit your search to a specific chapter. Right down here, I can select a specific chapter to search simply by clicking on it. I can also choose multiple chapters to search by using control-click. A regular mouse click to choose just one, control-click to choose multiple. Control-click on, control-click off. But let's say, for example, I'm interested in everything that's new with Chapter 7, taxation. So I click Chapter 7 down here. And up here, I'm going to search for 2016 in the history. I click OK. And here I have a list of everything that is new or newly amended in Chapter 7 this year. Let's take a look at a few. All right, one final example. Let's go back to the search form, clear this form. The last feature I want to show you is the ability to search for text within a specific statute. So if I type a specific section number in this box right here, and if I do nothing more, I'm essentially getting a document by citation. But I notice here a reference to double jeopardy. And I wonder if there might be more in this section. So let's do a search. I have the specific statute right here. But let's also search for double jeopardy. And there we have all the occurrences of double jeopardy in just this document. So this concludes this segment. You've learned how to target your searches in the NMSA, how to target specific fields in the NMSA, specific chapters in the NMSA, how to combine search fields, and how to search within a specific section of the NMSA. And now that you've mastered this targeted search form, you will find that the other targeted search forms work generally the same. So go ahead, try them out.